The Bill of Rights, which has been dubbed the People's Chapter, enshrines some of the fundamental rights of individuals as it seeks to create a more transparent and accountable government.
When you look at the other aspects of the Constitution, how government will be structured, the responsibilities, who is going to have certain responsibilities, those are actually set out as the infrastructure for delivering what is contained in Chapter 4.
But not all of its clauses will be welcomed, especially on marriage among the conservatives. The bill says on the dissolution of a marriage, both spouses are entitled to an equal share of the accumulated property.
Kwa ugawi wa mali na tusimamia kwanza sisi wa mama. Sababu wengi tulikuwa tunafinyika, naona mama amekaa kwa nyumba kwa miaka mingi. Halafu naweza akaachana, naondoka tu hivyo naenda tu na watoto.
Naweza oa leo akue interest yake kwa tu niyo chabu, unaona. Kama niko na eka mbili anataka eka moja. Nakuja nakaa mwezi moja, mwaka moja, anaenda. Eka moja inaenda. Naleta mwingine. Nikileta mwingine tena hivyo nimebaki na eka moja. Akikuja miaka mbili ameenda nusu.
Further, the chapter seeks to banish the agonizing tendency where patients in public hospitals at times fail to get medical attention. Even in emergency situations, it says a person shall not be denied emergency medical treatment, meaning one can sue the hospital if he or she is not attended to.
Vile wamepitisha kwamba kila mtu ana right ya kupata afya njema ama kuhudumiwa kiafya vizuri, hiyo walipitisha vizuri. Hata mimi nimefurahi kuhusu afya.
Another age-old practice set to change when the new laws become effective is the interrogation of public funds. Kenyans will have the right to hold the government to account if it does not fulfill their rights under Article 43, which says every person has a right to, among others, the highest attainable standard of health, accessible and adequate housing, social security and education.
If we live in a slum, we can go and tell the government we need proper housing. And the government, if the government says we do not have enough money to give you proper housing at this time because of our economy, then they will have to come and prove it in court. So it's not just a blank statement. Government can no longer just say, we don't have money for that. No.
The chapter also introduces special application of rights in Article 52, recognizing special rights for children, the youth, the old, persons with disability, minorities and marginalized groups. Thairu, Citizen Weekend.